you guys doing? Feeding time. All of them get fed, fresh water. These guys down here. She's been playing in her nest box, in her nest bowl. She's ready to get down again. They're on eggs. He's covering them up, so yeah, they're on eggs. This one is the cock keeps staying in the nest bowl. There's nothing there yet, but pretty soon, I guess. And I got these guys over here. Just fed them too. Gave them some water. So that one's a new one. And that one right there on top of the water jug, that's a new one. So a couple other babies, that's another baby there. The one in front. So, well, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.